With new technologies, people naturally ask, does it really work? Can I trust it? The Pegasus InstaFlash is a mount for composite shingle roofs that comes with a pre-installed, non-hardening sealant. It creates an instant, watertight bond. And it's engineered to work in the toughest conditions, from blazing heat to icy cold. You can even install it in the pouring rain. But does the seal really hold under a lot of water, even at high loads? Let's test it against the Pacific Ocean. Now that our board is ready for testing, we hired a local kite surfer to put it through its paces. Kyle here will be braving the Bay Area's frigid waters to see if InstaFlash's non-hardening sealant can hold up against the most extreme conditions. What? As you can see, InstaFlash did exactly what we wanted it to do. It may not help you catch air, but on the roof, it'll let you shred. How was it out there? What? Super fast install, no caulking mess, and always watertight. That's a better day on the job. Nice, bro. Bro? Bro?